Hi, I'm Dr. Germán Gomez and I'm in Valencia, Spain. Today I want to talk to you about the real value of a patient. I mean a new patient that has never heard about your office and that comes in because of advertisement to your office. How much is that patient worth? Okay? The figures I will tell you are based on Spanish prices and Spanish numbers. So you can make an analogism to your country using something like the Big Mac index. The Big Mac index is used in the industries just to fix the prices in new countries where they don't know how to value their prices. That means I have something to sell, like a dental chair or something like that, and I sell it in Spain for 1,000 euros or 10,000 euros. Let's say 10,000 euros. Now I want to sell it in Nigeria, and I don't know how much I have to put the price on this chair. So I will compare the Big Mac price in Spain and the Big Mac price in Nigeria. And then I can make an analogy. So that's what you can do for your country. So I give you a figure that you can compare with your country. The figure is, in Spain, the usual price of a full ceramic crown is 380 euros. That's the price paid by the patient. The source is comparadentistas.com. That's a platform to compare the prices of dentists. Okay, it's not my price. I don't say it's my price. It's the usual price in Spain. So based on this, if in your country you charge, for example, 760 euros you usually charge 760 euros for a full ceramic crown, then you just double the numbers that I said. Or if the patient only pays 190 euros in your country for a full ceramic crown, then you just half. You make the numbers that I will expose. You divide them by 2. Okay, good. So what's the long term, the real value of a new patient? It's not what he pays in his first appointment. Okay, the patient comes through the advertisement, and it's not what he pays or spends in the first visit. So how can we calculate the real value of a new patient? Well, usually the patient will accept comprehensive care around 18 months after the first visit. So he knows you, he got used to your clinic, to you, he trusts you, he trusts the way you're doing things, so now he's ready to accept a comprehensive care. That's why we do not use usually the first appointment's amount of money that he spends. So it's a real long-term value of the patient. So average amount spent at the dentist per year, based on the years 2013 through to 2016, is in Spain around 500 euros per year. The source is es.statista.com. Okay, so we know that in Spain, usually a patient, as a mean value, spends 500 euros a year at a dentist. Some spend 6,000 euros that year, and the next year they only spend 100 euros. Okay, but as a mean value, 500 euros per year are spent at the dentist. Okay, from every active patient. Good, that's a good number to know. Again, you make the Big Mac index analogy to your country, please. Now, we know also one thing, that the attrition rate of your patients that move out, that are dying, that change insurances and so on, okay, and just change the dentist, is around 15%. So we can say that the patient is active in your clinic around 7 years. That's a very conservative assumption. Okay? So if a patient is active 7 years in your clinic and every year he spends 500 euros, so it's more or less 3,500 that his value is in your clinic. That's why you should implement a loyalty system just to make these years longer and more and more and more. You can make out of 7 years 20 years, and then all of a sudden his value is much higher. Okay, loyalty systems are described in the MicroMaster of Dental Business Administration. Then, so if we do the maths, 7 years an active patient, 500 euros a year would be 3,500 euros for that patient. But it doesn't stop there, because an average patient refers between 2 and 5 patients, new patients. Between 2 and 5. Now, that means if the patient himself has a value of 3,500 euros and he refers only 2 patients that are also valued in 3,500 euros, because they wouldn't come to you if it wasn't because of that new patient. So that value would be 7,000, and together the value of this new patient that he will bring in business for you of 9,500 euros. But if he refers 5 new patients, all of a sudden all together would be 21,000 euros. That's why you should implement in your office a referral system. Referral systems are described in the MicroMaster of Dental Business Management. For more information, you just should email us. So the real value of a new patient, if he refers 5 new patients during all these 7 years that he is active in your clinic, would be around 21,000 euros. So now you need to know, if I spend 100 or 200 euros in acquiring a new patient by advertisement, one new patient costs me 200 euros, but he will bring in business for 21,000 euros, you would be fooled if you would not do it over and over and over again. Thank you for your time. This is Germán Gómez from Spain.